heart. Something inside of me started a symphony. Sing, went the strings of my heart, my heart, my heart wings. Sing, was like a breath of spring. Sing, I heard a robin sing, sing about a nest set apart. And then all nature seemed to be in perfect harmony. Sing, went the strings of my heart. Your eyes may sky seem blue again. What else could I do again but keep repeating through again? I love you. I still recall the thrill. I guess I always will. I hope it will never depart. Dear, with your lips to mine, I hear a song divine. Sing, wet the strings of mine. Sing, wet the strings of mine. Sing, wet the strings of my heart.